Hey, желаете ли да бъдете у моем Robux giveaway на свои групи? Първо ще трябва да радите и трябва че стигнете на мой канал и subscribe. Иначе ще трябва да лайкат видео, трябва че лайка видео, после коментар да се лайка или subscribe. Я че реплай теби, ако си победил. И плюс трябваш join мою групу и ако не знаете име, ако я то радим на ово аккаунту, я съм на новом аккаунту и ако желаете да сърчате, само сърчате мое име, на players и начите ме и ето see here. And you just gotta go to groups. You gotta find the group here. So if you find the group, then you gotta join the group, and then you just gotta post in the comments that you got some. You just gotta join it, and then when you join it, there we go. You join the group, and now if you join the group, and you tell me that you entered the giveaway, I will actually proceed you to explosive. And yeah, let's get into the video. Oh, by the way, today's video is only for. This is just a skit. This is just for entertainment purposes. This is just for entertainment purposes. So this does not work. So yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today my name is Super Games, and today we're going to be showing you how to get 1 million free Robux. Now, I haven't done a free Robux tutorial in a long time, and yeah, so we're gonna go right into it. So, one thing you're gonna have to do is you have to make a new account. No, you have to have a new account to you have to make a new account so it works, because if you use your main account, so that's why I'm a new account that I made. Cool poopy pee. Do not judge my name, but my account that I made. So you have to make a new account, but you can't use you can't use your main account, because if you use your main account and you never play a game, it will work. But you have to not play a game until you did the steps. So first off, you're gonna go to your feed, or if you want to do it, you just go to settings and just go to your information. So you're gonna have to type in this code 50126. Now you gotta do Robux 1 capital M, no, 1 capital, no, capital M, no, capital M plus. There we go. So now you get a share. Now if it stays there, it's okay. But if it's censored, it still works. So now what you gotta do is you gotta go to the Robux tab. No, not that. Not the trade tab. To the buy Robux tab. Now, the maximum you can buy is 22,000 Robux. But if you have Builders Club, it should be about 30. I think it should be about 35,000 Robux. So yeah, so it's like more, like on every. So see here. So here, there's a lot, and if you want to get this bonus, 50 bonus Robux, get join Builders Club. So now you have to do a glitch. Now the glitch is you gotta friend an account. An account is, you gotta follow Roblox. Cause Roblox will then Roblox will give you the Robux because they're like thanking you for actually like for following you. No, for following him. So you gotta go here and you gotta follow him. When you follow him, sorry about that, you gotta go to games. And now, if you went already on a game on your new account, then you have to make a new account, cause now you have to pick whatever game you want. Whatever game you want. So it can be Brick Bronze, it can be Trade Hangout. No, you can't. So pick whatever game you want, or you can go with all classy with the jailbreak, and you can pick whatever game. So I'm just gonna pick a game. So I'm just gonna pick jailbreak. You have to play it and then get out immediately. Because if you stay there for 10 minutes, so here, see here, we're joining the game. So we're just joining the game. Sorry if the cursor is okay. So see here, we're joining. You have to pick prisoner if you're playing jailbreak. And I pick whatever game, pick whatever team, and confirm. And now you have to get out. Now you have to go on your account, and bam, there it is, your game. So now, why we picked the game? Cause it has to be the trick has to be in your game. Cause then what was gonna happen is if you enter. So we're just gonna do it. So if you do like the next 3 steps, you're gonna have to go inside of the game, and then it's gonna appear. Cause if you pick the game, the game's gonna give you it. So now you gotta play it. Now you gotta go on your profile. Now, so see that has to stay there. So you know the code. So now, when you go on your account, you see on your account when you go on your account, you see that code. Now you're gonna go into your creations and you're gonna go to your place. Now you're gonna have to convert it. You're gonna go to configure this place. When we go to configure this place, you're just gonna do that, and now you're gonna type in Roblox. Please give me Robux. Now, if Robux is censored out, okay. Now you gotta pick a genre. Now the genre you're gonna have to pick is fighting, cause you're serious. If you put in comedy, so yeah, now it should work. So if it's inappropriate, mine's inappropriate. So we're just gonna have to rename it to Roblox. Well, wait. Save. Roblox's place. So now you have to remember, please give me Robux. Now when you've done that, very happy New Year's. So when you've done that, you gotta see, the name is one step, and now, since you got your name, you gotta play the game. Now you gotta explore your game, because whatever your game is, then you have to play it for about a minute, or not a minute, or about some seconds. You have to play as long as you can. You can't just get in it and just exit, because then it won't work. You have to like explore the game. So you just gotta explore the game for a couple of seconds, and then it should work. Yeah, just rotate this thing. Now I know the new accounts would have this, so you just spin this. Now if you want to get more Robux, or if you want to get an extra 1 million bonus, you have to spin this like a lot. You can't let this touch that. But if you didn't know that, you just gotta spin this. If you want to spin this. You don't want to let it stop. But if it stops automatically, that's okay. You just gotta spin it and spin it and spin it, so you can get an extra 1 million Robux. So now when you're done spinning that, you gotta get back here, and now you just gotta go to your home place. Now this is the second step. Now the third step is to go here. Now you're gonna go into your game, and you're gonna have to go into your game, and then when you X out the game, the Robux should be there. So I'll just go in the game right now. So here we are in the game. I'm just loading up the game right now. I couldn't do now. If you're playing jailbreak, just pick the police, because you can just. No, I don't want to purchase that. You don't even have Robux. Now I can just go up here and just get some stuff, a shotgun or whatever. Now you don't have to care about anything. You can just walk around the prison. You just arrest people. Now you just play. I played some 360 no-scope games. Do you understand? You can't mess with me, or I will kill you. Who writes this message? Now we're done. You should exit out the game. And oh! It worked! We got 2 million Robux because we spin the wheel. So you're supposed to get 1 million Robux, but then I spin the wheel, and I got an extra 1 million, and I got an extra 1 million Robux. Oh my god! I'm gonna spend this on all the stuff. I can buy Dominuses, but I won't buy anything now because we're gonna do nothing. So now, guys, that's it. How you get 1 million Robux? But if you spend the like kind of flag, you get a 1 million extra. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.